students. In previous video, we have read and explain the lesson number 13, Columbus discovers America, and we have completed the exercise. Now, today we are doing the next question. Arrange the following events in the sequence they happened in the text to make a paragraph. इन सेंटेंसेस को हमें अरेंज करना है इवेंट्स के अनुसार, सीक्वेंस में जिस तरह से वो टेक्स्ट में आए हुए हैं. नाउ हियर द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज ऑन 11th October they saw some clear signs of land. Second, the crew recovered from the sea the top of a table and a carved stick. Third, Columbus saw a light towards west in the night. Fourth, Rodrigo C. de Terrana saw the land first. Fifth, some members of the crew had made plans against Columbus. Sixth, Columbus forgave the crew. Seventh, Columbus explored the sea around for 2 months. 8. Columbus made 4 voyages across the Atlantic. 9. Columbus discovered the existence of a new continent which he believed to be India. Now answer the following questions. What signs of land did Columbus and his men see from their ship? Answer. The crew recovered from the sea the top of a table and a carved stick. Also, the men in one of the ships saw a branch of a tree with fruits on it floating by. Question number 2. What did Rodrigo see? Answer. Rodrigo saw the land. Question number 3. What was the reward the king and the queen had promised? Answer. The king and the queen had promised a pension of the 10,000 copper coins to the fortunate man who saw land first. Fourth, who got the reward in the end? Answer. Columbus got the reward in the end. Fifth, why was Rodrigo disappointed? Rodrigo was disappointed because the pension was given to Columbus. Question number 6. How long did Columbus and his men sail before they reached land? Answer. For more than 2 months, Columbus and his men sailed before they reached land. Who did Columbus forgive? Columbus forgave the member of the crew who had earlier made plans against the Columbus. Question number 8. Why did Columbus call the islands he had discovered the Indies? Answer. He believed that these were the group of islands lying to the east of India, so he called the island the Indies. Question number 9. Why was Columbus' discovery important? Answer. Columbus' discovery important because he had discovered the existence of a new continent. He had discovered the new world. Grammar and use students. Change the following passage into past tense. आपको इस passage को past tense में change करना है. The 2 boys was riding very fast on a motorcycle. They wanted to overtake the car before them. Suddenly, a boy on a cycle came by the side of the car. The boys on the motorcycle did not want to hit the boy on the cycle, so they turned to the other side. But a truck came from that side, dashes against them. People carried the 2 boys and took them to the nearby hospital. So here students, we complete our lesson number 13, Columbus discovers America part 2. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.